Hello friends, my name is Sahil Bharia and today we discuss about financing of mergers. First, we have to know what is merger and acquisition. Merger is an agreement where two existing companies make a new company. Merger and acquisition are commonly done to expand a company reach or gain market share. Financing merger techniques. We can differentiate merger and acquisition by the way they are financed. Various methods of financing include cash, stocks. First, exchanging stocks. In average exchange, the buying company exchanges stocks for shares of the seller company. The financing option is relatively safe as the party share risk equally. Second, debt acquisition. Agree to take on a seller debt is alternative way to paying cash or stocks. This is very cheap way to acquire assets. When a company acquires a large quantity of another company's debt, it has greater management capabilities during liquidation. Third, paying in cash. A cash payment is obvious alternative to paying in stock. Cash transactions are clean and do not require the same level of management as stock transactions. Exchange rates may vary. It can take the cost too high for some companies. Initial public offering. It is an excellent way for a company to raise funds at any time. It creates an excitement in the market, but the market can drop as quickly as it rises, so it is very risky. Issuance of bonds. Corporate bonds are simple, quick way to raise cash from current shareholders. Bonds have one big disadvantage. Once they are bought, the money can't be used until the bond maturation date. The bond issuance is only a good value if the buyer can cheaply access credit and has a clear goal. Loans. It can be costly to borrow money during a merger or acquisition. Cost can quickly add up during a multi-million dollar merger and acquisition. Low rate can increase the number of loan funded transactions. So conclusion is, where cash is not an option, there are many ways to finance a merger and acquisition, many of which result is an effortless. The best method for a firm to use depends on the buyer and seller, their respective share situations, asset values, and debt liabilities. Each method of funding a merger and acquisition comes with its own hidden fees, commitments, and risk. This video is only for educational purpose. No commercial benefits has been attained from this video content. I prepared a video under guidance of Mrs. Shikha Gupta, Assistant Professor, Mary College. Thank you.